Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I am doing my what was in my pink parcel this month. And first of all, hello everyone. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. But if you've been around for a long time and, you know, wondering where the heck I've been, maybe I should do an update on that. But anyway, I'm back. And hopefully this is it and I will be back now. So anyway, I'm not going to ramble anymore. I will do that in another specific video about rambling. So I do have a cat at my feet who will probably try and interrupt me. But anyway, as I said, I want to talk about what is in my pink parcel this month. So, oh, that was rude. So without further ado, let's get stuck in. So, if you don't know already, Pink Parcel is a monthly subscription that comes just in time for your period. You tell them what products you use, how heavy your flow is. It asks you a lot of different questions, so you put it all in. There is one called Betty Me, something. I'll pop the link in for that below, and I'll pop the link in for this and all their other information. It doesn't say anything here. So anyway, so you get all the bits and bobs that you need for your time of the month. So it will send you get a cute bag every month. This one says self-love on it, and inside mine I have 5 days worth of panty liners. I also have a stash of super plus, I believe these ones are, tampons. I then also get a mixture of different, so we have light, regular and super here as well. So for me, I use pads at night, so it gives me a different pad for each night, for 5 nights as well, because I specified that mine lasts for 5 days roughly. So anyway, so you pay this, and I always forget, but I'll pop it in the information down below how much it is. I think it's around £14. So, I mean, obviously you're buying your sanitary products every month anyway, so I always feel like this is a little bit of a treat for free, which of course you wouldn't be spending £14 every month. But anyway, so let's see. So every month you always get something edible and something to drink. So this month we have from Montezuma milk chocolate minted with crunchy peppermint. So I'm really excited. I have had from, I think I've actually had this specific one before, and they are very delicious chocolates. They are a UK brand, so I'm excited to get into that. And this is from Dr. Stewart's Extraordinarily Good Tea. So this is a Skin Purify tea. So it says please see box for ingredients, of course. Here it is. And I'm losing everything. So it says boost your beauty from within with this blend that includes red clover, nettle, dandelion and lemon to aid the body's natural elimination process, and chamomile to soothe inflammation. The tasty tea has a high essential oil content and is naturally caffeine free. So for 15 tea bags it is £2.79, and you can get it at drstewarts.com. I will link that down below as well. For 100 grams of the Montezuma it is £2.59. We got obviously a small bar which is 37. So anyway, it says keep this pocket-sized chocolate bar on hand for when the cravings come calling. Peruvian high cocoa milk chocolate perfectly complements the crunchy peppermint chunks in this indulgent treat that we've chosen as this month's premenstrual pick-me-up. So anyway, moving on to the other items. Now, I have seen what's in this month, so I'm not shocked or anything. Anyway, so we have this eyeliner. Now, I do want to say, to start off with, Technic wouldn't be one that I am excited at all to see in a box. I do like the idea that this one has a smudger on this end, so, you know, that is something that's pretty cool for with an eyeliner, but let's face it, most of our eyeshadow brush kits come with a smudger, so we don't really need that. It's a very large pencil. It's only worth £1.99. It's not something that I would ever be excited to see, because it's the kind of thing that you can just buy in like pound shops and stuff. So it's not an exciting product. Okay, so also in this month we have from Balance Me, we have the Congested Skin Serum, which is 99% natural. And this, we have a 7ml of that, and the full size, I'm totally lost. The full size of that is worth £16, so that's not bad. That is half size, so it is roughly worth around £8 this. So it says massage into dry skin after cleansing before applying your moisturizer in the morning and at night. It has eucalyptus and lavender oils. Spruce knot and Kanuka oil diminish blemishes, soothe inflammation and balance oiliness without overdrying, which is really, really good, because a lot of people at that time of the month do get more oily skin. So that is very good. So the next item we have then is from Skin & Co. Roma, and this is a whipped polishing cleansing cream, and it says Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream is a highly concentrated cleanser formulated to renew dry and dull skin while providing extra care to sensitive skin, especially when removing makeup. Formulated with pure truffle extract from Italy and soothing sweet almond oil, it works gently while providing intense hydration and improving skin resilience and tone. This cleanser is formulated on essential fatty acids to help maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier. So again, that's really good as well, because while some people get really oily, some people get really dried out. Obviously everybody's skin is so different, and whatever your skin problems are, 9 times out of 10 at that time of the month, your hormones are going to send that into overdrive. I know that a lot of the time my skin would get really dry at that time of the month, and I do try and look after my skin's moisture content the rest of the month, so it is something that I want to keep up. So that is the size we got, and this is a 30ml. The full size is 150ml for £30. So again, it's a good enough product. It's around £6 it's worth. I am so not working that out right. Yeah, it's worth £6. So anyway, our next item, I'm so lost on how they've done this. So the next item then is a brow brush, and this is from the brand Luella Cosmetics, and it's worth $4.99. It says a statement brow can change the look of your whole face. Use the angled eyebrow brush with your favourite cream or powder products to fill and define your brows. Super soft bristles and an angled tip will help you achieve your brow goals. Now I do have to say it is quite a fat brush, so it probably wouldn't be one that I would really use, because I have a feeling that it would just give too much. Now my niece, what she said, she would use it for actually curving out her brows with her concealer, so that might be a good idea for that. But it's a decent enough brush, so that's fair enough. So the last item we have this month is another skin mask, and I do love to get the masks in this box, because I do truly appreciate a good face mask. So this one is from Skin Republic. It is worth $5.49 for one mask, so it is at the higher end of the masks. And this is in collaboration with Olivia Buckland, who is a reality TV star, which I don't know. I'm going to guess she's from Celebrity Love Island. Celebrity Love Island. Anyway, so it says apply the lace sponge sheet mask before a night out and leave for 20 minutes. It's designed to prep skin before makeup application for a smooth finish that lasts longer. Made with hyaluronic acid, collagen and pomegranate to hydrate, plump and brighten. So there you go. So I have to be honest, it's not my favourite box. It's not the worst box I've ever had, but it's not my favourite one. I don't know what it is this month. I think possibly this just really turned me off right from the get-go. So I probably wasn't so open to the other products as I could have been. But it's not going to stop me getting it, because it's something I will continue to get every month. I'm actually looking into possibly getting one for my niece. As I was saying, the teenage one, Betty Me, Betty Box, Betty Boo, whatever it is. But anyway, so I am looking into that. I think it could be good for her as well. And you get to try some really good products. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have enjoyed this. Let me know in the comment section below what your favourite subscription box is and what should I try out next. Stay tuned as well to see what other subscription boxes I have been trying out. Anyway guys, thank you so much. I love you all. Please give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. And subscribe. Maybe hit that bell notification as well, because apparently that really helps everybody. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.